Today, we are going to meet the animals on Farmer Fred's farm. Would you like to meet them? Come along then. Let's meet the animals. On Farmer Fred's farm, he has pigs, sheep, chicken, goose, goats, horses, cows, and ducks. Now, all these animals are together with their babies. So today, we are going to learn the names of the mummy and baby animal. Are you ready? When we meet the animals, I will say the name first, then we'll say the name together, and last, you will say the name by yourself. Let's go! Sheep, lamb, sheep, lamb. Well done! Next we have cow and calf. Cow, calf. Good job. Goat, kid. Goat, kid. Now your turn. Well done. Hen, chick. Together now. Hen, chick.
And on that farm he had a duck. E-I-E-I-O. Quack, quack here, quack, quack there. Here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack, quack.
Pig,
Old MacDonald had
piglet.
a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
Pig,
Old MacDonald
piglet.
had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a duck. E-I-E-I-O. With a woof woof here, a woof
Duck,
woof there. Here a woof, there a
duckling.
woof, everywhere a woof woof. Old MacDonald
Duck,
had a farm.
duckling.
E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
Well done.
He had a cat.
All right.
E-I-E-I-O. With a meow meow here and
Goose,
a meow there. Here a meow, there a meow.
Gosling.
Meow meow. Old MacDonald had a
Goose,
farm. E-I-E-I-O.
gosling.
Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And
You guys are so clever.
E-I-E-I-O.
And the last one,
Moo moo here, a moo moo there.
horse,
There a moo, everywhere a moo moo.
foal.
Old MacDonald had a farm.
Horse,
E-I-E-I-O.
foal.
Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
Good job, children. That was fantastic. Which is your favorite farm animal? Practice the names of all your farm animals and their babies. Once you've finished, listen to the story about baby animals on the farm and their game of hide and seek.